Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning, subscribe, and most definitely welcome. So it has been confirmed that Nhlanhla will be leaving e.tv Scandal. So he's the one that approached the production and said he wanted to pursue other ventures, and they supported this decision and agreed to release him. He'll still be in the entertainment industry, and he released a statement saying, "Words fail me, emotions are gallery. Memories will always be part of me. Most of all, the love I have for these things we do, it's not one that will die soon. To everyone that supported the character from the beginning, loved it through time, and never wanted to leave its side, I'm forever grateful for this gift you guys gave me. Even when it was difficult to play the character, you were there. Mostly in the character's most happiest moments, you were there. I won't forget you. I won't forget that. I love you all. And thank you for everything." So I think we saw the previous episode where we saw her going to honeymoon and then he was shot there. I think those are the last moments that we are going to see, probably the funeral, and after that it's a done deal. His journey ended. I feel like he aced his role. Since 2021, he has been gracing our scene, and we saw the passion that he had. We're going to wish him successful journey, whatever he's going to do, whatever he's going to pursue, and hopefully we're going to see him in another big television production, because I think this was really huge to him, e.tv. And I think if you can check, he's doing theater and he's doing a lot of things now. He's doing a lot of stuff now that his contract has ended. I wonder how he's the one who actually approached them to end his character. I think he's actually destined for something that is great, because he can't say he doesn't want to be part of such a big production and going to small things. I don't know what you guys think about this decision that he made. Was it a good one? Was it a bad one? So he's been with Scandal for almost like 2.5 or more years, and then now we're seeing him going. Like, I loved the character when she was acting with Lindy, and he would say mamas. That was the best. Like, yeah, those were the days when Scandal used to be nice. Nowadays, I don't know, because I really watch it. I watch it here and there. I don't know. I just lost interest. There was a lot that was going on in the production, if you noticed. Like, Gloria wasn't like, we would see like old and boring storylines, to be honest, and those characters that we are used to, Gloria and the husband, and we were not seeing them, and a lot of people have left Scandal. But the good news is that they have new characters, and hopefully it's going to be different now. I don't know what you guys think. Those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed. See you in my next video.